Hey YouTube family, welcome back to FLEXIFY2. I know a lot of you have been reaching out about how tough the job market is right now. You're applying to tons of jobs, but those interviews just aren't coming. I totally get it. It's frustrating and demoralizing. But today, I want to share some important information that might change your perspective. Stick with me because understanding what's going on can actually give you an edge. Okay, so why is it so hard to get hired right now? Well, there are a few factors, but the main reason is the economy, not your resume. It is always a good idea to update your resume with any new skills, but do not think it is the sole factor. Keep rocking with me, and I'm about to break it down in a way that makes sense. So, the Fed had to raise interest rates to fight inflation. Think of it like this: when interest rates are high, borrowing money gets really expensive. You've probably noticed how pricey buying a car or a house is right now. High interest rates slow down the economy and lower demand for goods. And with lower demand, prices typically drop, which helps decrease inflation. So that solves the inflation problem, but it has a ripple effect on hiring. Now, when borrowing money becomes too expensive, it's harder for companies to expand and fund new projects. This means less hiring and sometimes layoffs to save money. The wages saved during the layoff is used by the company to create internal capital they would normally borrow from the bank. These factors make it tough in the employment arena. But here's the good news. The Fed had a meeting a couple weeks ago and they've started to cut interest rates. That's a move in the right direction for the job market. The not so great news is we still don't know if it will help the job market immediately, and additional rate cuts are likely on the horizon by year end. But understanding what is going on can empower you. Now, I want to address resumes. Yes, having a strong resume is crucial. If your resume isn't tailored to the job or isn't showcasing your skills, that could be a part of the issue. You should always be looking for more ways to refine your resume and make it more impactful. Even with an amazing resume, you might still face challenges in this economic climate. So do not beat yourself up. If you're not getting interviews right away or back to back, your resume is just one piece of this puzzle. Keep working on your resume, but also focus on building your skills, your network, and your perseverance. Remember, the economy is always fluctuating, and better days are ahead for anyone seeking employment. Fast track your search during this time while everyone else is slipping into relax mode for the holidays, and stay ahead for the next opportunity that is coming your way. Don't give up and don't lose faith in your abilities. So if you think the difficulty in finding a job is or was all your fault, it's not. And if you feel you don't have what it takes to land a new job, stop thinking that way. You have so much value to offer. The economy is just one factor and it's always changing. What you can control is building your skills, staying positive, and keeping at it. Don't give up because better days are ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.